everybody, it's Stacy from Head to Heels. Thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to do something that I've been meaning to do for a very long time today, and that is review my Micheal Kors bag that I got months ago from my husband as a surprise. And I saw the bag and I loved it, and never in my wildest dreams would I have purchased this on my own, so this was a good gift from him. Also, he bought me these Fifis as well. These are my forever booties. I love these. Kristen Louboutin Fifi in leopard print with calf fur. Very nice. Alright, so when this came, it was brand new in the box. It had a lot more packaging, so let's see if I can remember. This came folded up. This bag came folded up. It says Micheal Kors across the front there. It's white and it's kind of satiny with a nice easy drawstring on it. So great for travel. Or even if you just want to use it as an every now and then bag. I seem to be using mine as a all day, everyday bag because I really can't. There's no other purse that is more Stacy than this purse. And that's a quote direct from my husband. So, without further ado, as I take it out, I'll let you know how each piece was packaged and how excited I was when I got it. So the first piece came, it was kind of just folded up amongst itself somehow. But like smaller, I just get all the kinks out. It's a very nice tough leather. And it was all, of course, this was all sleeved in tissue paper, and each one of these little rivets were sleeved in tissue paper, and each one of these hooks was in tissue paper. And I just would like to take this moment to point out that I made my nails oil slick colored with a bunch of different color sparkles that I have, which is really fun, which actually matches my hooks and studs that are going to be shown throughout this bag. Alright, so we got that. That's our strap, of course, and then we have the actual bag. This bag is amazing. I love it so much. It's got pink on the outside of the seams, along with a fluorescent green and a beautiful orange up front, and again with the oil slick kind of iridescent accents on it, which I really love. I have the Louboutin oil slick shoes. I've got my oil slick nails. I have a pair of oil slick earrings, which I don't know why I didn't put those on. My utensils are oil slick, and my water bottle and my pocket knife are all oil slick. So this is like the perfect addition because I love all of the colors. Even though I wear lots of black, I tend to accent with my makeup and accessories. So the purse is very easy to use. I haven't had to adjust the length on it. It came the perfect length. Again, the purse itself is like just a really nice, nice thick hardy leather. The stitching on it is awesome. The end here has like a martini glass stitched in. Right across here it says Micheal Kors, and to open it you flip this little thingy, open it up, and it's actually the perfect size for me. I'm not a big purse kind of gal. My phone will go in here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots that you can put your necessities. So to me, that's driver's license, bank card, credit card, and health card. So yeah, that's awesome. And it's got, well, typically I carry like 8 tubes of lipstick. Those cards, a glasses case because I wear prescription glasses, and I have prescription sunglasses. What else do I put in here normally? Sometimes if I've got cash, I'll jam that in there. I always have my pocket knife with me. I love my pocket knife. I'll actually show you my pocket knife here in a second too. Alright, so this is it, and I'm going to flip the handle on. So it's got nice little strong, very well attached purse loops, I'm going to call it. The purse loops are also iridescent and they move freely, and the hook itself rotates, which is very, very helpful. Like this is not only a beautiful purse, but it's really well designed. Unfortunately, because I have been using it, there are signs of wear on it, so a little bit of stuff is wearing off on the iridescent on the latch part only, and I've got tiny little wrinkles through here, but other than that, like this thing's pretty cool. I'm a rough and tumble kind of gal, so this doesn't get like dainty use. This is me. I work, I sell cars, I organize the reconditioning of the cars I sell, so I'm constantly moving vehicles. So my purse gets thrown on the passenger seat with me, and I go from place to place with these cars that I'm selling. All right, so yeah, so this purse again is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna go grab my phone and have a look at what the actual title of the purse was and how much it cost, things I should have done before the video. But you know, whatever. Maybe I'll take my knife back and show you my knife as well. Alright, while I look this up, I'm going to enjoy a sip of my White Russian, again, my quarantine drink of choice. Gotta support those dairy farmers, right? Am I right? Alrighty, so I'm just gonna Google Micheal Kors black and multi-color purse. There it is, it popped right up. Alright, so I'm looking at this guy. It's called the Manhattan Small Contrast Trim Leather Crossbody Bag. It is currently on sale. I'll tell you the original price. $378, and I believe this is in Canada. Triple check that. Yep, that's $378 Canadian. Currently on sale for $283.50. And this is the small, so they've got a larger one too. The larger one is probably what most women would want, but like I said, I like to pack light. I would carry just a wallet if it wasn't for like my glasses, basically. If I didn't have to carry a glasses case, I would just carry my cards. That's it. I could go with a lipstick if I had to, whatever. All right, so let me give you a close-up of this guy here. So here we are pointing out the wear and tear on this guy. Just really the wrinkles in the front straps here. I think you can see the light catching them. Some chips, like it's just like a film that's over top of it, right? We have the nice same things in the corner. The corners seem to be holding up a little bit with some wear and tear. And then there's that little martini glass I was telling you about that's stitched into the side. It's on both sides. That's pretty cool. And then on the strap, we have the rivets as well, and it's got a nice loop around, one that moves, one that's stationary. It moves pretty freely. You can see like the quality of leather is outstanding. This is not what I call leather plated cardboard, which is like purses that I would normally buy from Walmart, Value Village, anywhere. All right, so let's take a look inside this bad boy. So it opens up really nice and easily. It's got a plain top on it, and you can see where the front straps are actually woven into the top. It's very detail oriented. Can't really see inside there, but if you could, you would see, yeah, there we go. You can see 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's only three slots for cards. And then on the inside, it's got the diamond chain link pattern inside, nice and black and coated. And same with this little tiny front pocket in here. It's got that nice designer Micheal Kors lining in the inside of the purse. Here is my pocket knife, my oil slick iridescent pocket knife that I got a couple of years ago on a trip my husband and I took. We drove from Nova Scotia down to Key West, and it was a fantastic trip. And I picked up this knife, I believe, at the Salt Caves Caverns or something down in South Carolina. Savannah, I believe. I love this thing. I take it with me everywhere. It's so handy, and it's very good quality, nice and strong. I think it was like 60 bucks. Anyway, don't fuck with me. Well, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on the Micheal Kors bag. I wish it hadn't taken me so long. I wish I could have waited and made the unboxing video, but I get really excited about things, so sorry, not sorry. Bye. No, but seriously, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more from me, definitely hit the subscribe button in the bottom there, and follow me on Instagram, Reddit, and Patreon. Thanks so much. Bye.